is exactly where I need him to be.
Let's see where this road takes me.
A stone oven sits here, old but repaired. There's a freshly baked loaf inside the oven. A stone oven sits here. The oven slightly trembles.
Who goes there? Go away if you're up to no good. Leave me be.
This again? Come out. It is safe.
You sure are my guardian angel.
What is it with you and these beasts?
I was just minding my own business, I swear.
This is the last time I save you.
You deserve my pay for the day.
Time-worn altar barely holding together, dedicated to Perun, god of lightning. Some offerings are lying on a stone plate in front of it. The altar accepted my offering. I hear thunder somewhere. The altar is now silent. Seems quite animated.
Greetings, traveler. You have caught me, the pikefish. Now release me, and I shall grant you one wish.
Release you? Why, I wish to eat you.
No! Do not eat me!
The pond is now quiet.
Ivan made lots of choices in his quest. What will he learn after he's had some rest? He is exactly where I need him to be.
The heat is unbearable.
stone oven sits here. Old, but repaired. There's a freshly baked loaf inside the oven. A stone oven sits here. Old, but repaired. There's nothing inside the... The oven slightly trembles.
An altar, all scratched and cracked, dedicated to Chernabog, the Black God. I hear a faint laugh. Where is it coming from? Ooh, what's that? The altar is silent now.
A stone oven sits. The oven stone oven sits. The oven sl- A stone oven sits. The oven sl- A stone oven sits here. The oven slight.
Ivan made lots of choices in his quest. What will he learn after he's had some rest? He is exactly where I need him to be. Maria wants to speak with you. Go talk to her a bit. But afterwards, come back to me. Don't be too fast to quit.
Well met, traveller. You must be tired from your long road. Come, join us at our fire, and let us share stories.
What is this place?
The Deadwoods. Much blood has been spilled in this forest. It is now haunted by spirits. Lord among them is Koshchei.
Who is this Koshchei?
Koshchei the Deathless, an ancient immortal being. For centuries he has raided my kingdom, and last year he came and decimated my father's people. He came leading an army of spirits risen from the dead.
Why are you here, fair lady?
I have come here with what is left of my people to seek revenge. We will destroy Koshchei, even if it takes the last of our small numbers.
The Tsar sent me here. He wants you as his wife.
The Tsar wants me as his wife, but we've never met.
He sent me to find the most beautiful woman in the world.
Then you must search elsewhere. There are many women more beautiful than me.
A wise Tsarina will help our lands.
My mother was wise, my father was brave, and both of them are in their grave.
A warrior queen will be just what he wants.
A warrior queen's place is on the battlefield, not in a castle. She can only be called such a name if she dies without shame.
This reunion will be good for your people.
I see no reason why this marriage would benefit my people.
Your people will be safer in our tsardom.
That may be right, but none of them will cower behind walls before they have a chance to take revenge for our dead.
What can I do to change your mind?
Not everything inside this world is settled with a quest, but let it be as you wish. I'll have no rest from you otherwise. I'll not indulge any request of offering my hand until I know that there's more peace than conflict in the land. When the old Vodnik finds his rest in the swamp he calls home, when cold Morozko's heart is warm upon his winter throne, when Polodnitsa finds such love to change her heated frown, then, only then come back to me, and I might change my crown.
Before you take leave, come, talk to me, boy. I see in your eyes that you need some joy.
I cannot have joy. It seems much too rare. In front of my tasks, one can just despair.
Not all hope is lost. I heard of your plight and have some advice to cheer up your night.
A Vodnik at peace, deep in his mire. What should I do? Kill it with fire?
That you can do. Or go to his bog and fend off the humans that mess with his fog.
Morozko's cold heart? Set it on fire?
That might work, my dear, but think a bit higher. Find the cold maiden. That's a good start. There's more than one way to heat up a heart.
Polodnitsa's love? How can that be? You don't suppose she could ever love me?
Her old love is dead. Her heart does not stir. But someone is there. You can help him woo her.
Thank you, witch, and now we must part. And your advice is a good place to start.
Now go, dear blacksmith. Use your firm arm. Or do you want magic? Maybe a charm? Be charmed, Ivan. Three hard challenges must be done before Maria will accept any offers. Three hard challenges must be done before Maria will accept any offers.
I barely feel my face. This altar is dedicated to Veles, god of musicians and magic. Is that thunder I hear in the distance? Veles must like this. The altar is quietly humming.
A stone oven sits here. Old, but repaired.
There's a freshly baked loaf inside the oven.
A wonderful day for a little mind-teaser, blacksmith. Until I am measured, I am not known. Yet how you miss me when I have flown. What am
It is time.
I? Of course. Blessings of wisdom upon you. Now, off you go.
stone oven sit. There's nothing inside. The oven's slight.
You're back, blacksmith. Are you not tired of these mountains? Tell me, what's on your mind?
I sometimes get sad about all the evil in the world. I wish we could all just get along. What about you? What would make you enjoy life?
I only need more peace and quiet, and fewer travelers here. Look at that maiden nearby. She's been roaming my peaks for weeks, searching everywhere, yelling some name, digging through snow. And then she found something. Some dead creature, and kept trying to dig for treasures, until she was attacked by some stew-hacks. I can't imagine how she's still alive. And now she just stays near that damned fire, and I can't drive her away. That fire has been going for days, and I'm sure that if it were to die out, the maiden would be cold and leave this place.
I'll talk to her. Make her go away.
Traveler! Won't you help me? I wish to leave here and bury my brother.
Is your brother in that sack on the sled?
He came here alone, in search of the Golden Anvil. I warned him about dangers here, but he wouldn't listen. After weeks of searching, I finally found him, but by that time his body was already frozen. I wish to bring him home. He deserves a proper burial, not this frozen tomb. But the creatures in these mountains killed my horse.
What can I do to help you? It's so cold.
I'd like to leave and find a horse. Yet every time I leave the fire, Morozko the Ice King comes near. I fear what he would do if I left. I've heard terrible stories about other women frozen to death by him. The fire seems to be keeping him at bay.
Maybe Morozko can be reasoned with.
I'm too scared to try. What if I say something wrong and anger him? But maybe you can talk to him. Can you please convince Morozko to leave me alone?
If you like cold, why don't you stay here? What's waiting for you back home?
Nothing and nobody. But I wish to bury my brother, and the ground's too frozen here. Please talk to Morozko for me.
Did you talk to her? Is the fire gone?
I'm working on it.
Did you talk to her?
Work.
Have you spoken to Morozko yet? Will he let me leave in peace?
I haven't talked to him yet. I'll...
Did you talk to her?
I need to warm up your heart.
You wish to fight?